What's up, everybody? Just doing a review of the new Milwaukee M18 switch tank. It's a cordless battery-powered sprayer. You can put chemicals, water, whatever you have to spray. You can put it in here. The one cool thing about this is you can say you have two tanks. You're doing water and a chemical, or two different chemicals. This whole tank wand assembly switches out from the base here, so you don't have any kind of cross-contamination. The kit that I got came with your standard Milwaukee charger, and it also came with a battery. So to get the battery out, there's a little door that opens right here, and the battery's right in there. You just pull it right out. It's right here. One battery's all you need. If you're familiar with the M18 line of tools, it's the same. Close the door, and that's it. For the operation, there's really not much. Right here, there's an on button. You get the green light, you have power, and then here is a 3-position switch. Actually, no, a 5-position switch for the flow rate. So depending on what you're spraying, how fast you want the water to come out, that's where it is. It's pretty quiet. I don't have water in here now because I'm in the basement, so I didn't want to go crazy. But that's about the length. Let's see, the length of your hose. You can barely hear it, but it's pumping. This does have a trigger lock. If you're spraying for a prolonged period of time, you just close it, push the button in. Oops. And it stays locked. And then click it again to take it off. If you want to take the wand out, you can. You just unscrew it here and it screws into the handle if you need to replace it or clean it. There's 2 nozzles. The one that comes on there is, I believe, the spray, and then you unscrew this, and this is more of a, I think this one might be the spray, and this one is a straight directional jet of water. So they're both on there. I would spray it, but it's pretty straightforward. I'm sure not many people care about what the spray looks like. It's filled right at the top. There are a couple. You know what? That's not. This is the other nozzle. This is the fan, it's kind of like a fan spray nozzle, and that's the straight nozzle. It was in there. My bad. I knew it had 2. There's a filter in here, removable. It comes out, and I'll show you the side if you can see from over there. Inside the tank. I guess I could put this on. Yeah, I'll throw it on real quick. It does have 2 soft straps, shoulder straps, and it has a waist belt also. It's kind of like an air pack you wear at the firehouse. So you can just get yourself in here. I've adjusted the straps, but I figure I'll show you. Get on. And you have this strap right there. Just these out a little bit. There you go. And then you also have the waist strap. It's comfortable. Even with water, it's not that heavy. I bought plenty of hose with the wand. Pretty straightforward. I think it's a pretty cool design. Battery stuff has come a long way, so they're making everything battery powered. So if anyone's out there listening from Milwaukee, I really would like a cordless belt sander. If you haven't made one, and I don't want to buy the rigid, so hopefully you can buy one. All right. Like I said, the cool part about this is how it's removable. So you undo that, and there's the same one behind here. And this lifts all the way off. So the wand, the tank, everything comes off so you don't get contamination. And then basically, this is the lower base with the pump and everything in it. That's why they call it the switch tank. I think it's a pretty awesome setup. I think it retails for this kit a little over $400. If you already have a charger and a battery, I think you can get it for around $200. So I think it's in line with most other kits you're going to buy, battery powered stuff. I would recommend it. I got this unit to review, and try out, which is what I'm going to do. But I don't spray much, so I don't know exactly what I would do with it. But concrete guys might use it to spray water, or mostly I would think you put chemicals in here to spray for weeds or for bugs maybe. That's it. Milwaukee switch tank, battery powered. It's a cool tool. I like the way it's made. I've been yet to really been disappointed from any tool from Milwaukee. I have several at work. I have some here, and I think it's a pretty cool tool. So if you're thinking about getting it, Toes doesn't want to stay. If you're thinking about getting it, I would recommend it, and it's pretty straightforward.